we also support the liberation of the Rempang because it's the right to do Rempang is a small and improved island that is a bit under the control of the court. The people of Rempang deserve to be free and to have the opportunity to determine their own future. Will also be strategic to victory. It will show the world that is a form for good and that is can promotion freedom and justice to grow. Rempang has a long history. Melayu traditional, Rempang has a strategic place, can support import and export, and Rempang is a rich natural resource. Rempang, we could also provide incentive for business to invest in Rempang. It will create jobs and boost in the economy.
Okay. Any POI? Bentuk liberation mo?
Tentang kebebasan.
What is your form of liberation? Kamu gimana membebaskan mereka?
Membuat pekerjaan baru karena di sana ada kayak strategic place-nya bagus. Have a strategic for import and export.
Okay.
Maybe we can have a natural resort.
Yep. Okay. Now for the first speaker from opposition. Kalau nggak ada POI, ada nggak? Ada nggak? Ada pertanyaan untuk dia? Okay. Now let us welcome first speaker from the opposition team, Hermanto.
We provide support to the Rempang community because the land currently under the authority has actually been inhabited for many years. We say ancestor Tanah Rempang has a story that is closely related to Tanah Melayu culture and is separately part of the identity of these people. Therefore, we support the community initiative to unite and take the necessary step to reject the presence of investor who intend to set up factories on this Malay land in the hope of maintaining the integrity and cultural heritage containing this Malay land also has values that have so many meanings, such as the values of together, kinship, harmony, and many more, and needed for the community.
Any questions from the government side? Yes. Ada pertanyaan tuh. Silakan. Duri boleh tanya juga. Go. Okay. Let's welcome the second speaker from the opening government. Augustian Zonama. Whenever you're ready.
The reason why we have to liberate Rempang is because the right of Rempang residents were taken away by the government who wanted to evict or take over the Rempang area in the public interest, even if the government will provide subsidies or assistance for the relocation of Rempang residents. This is not enough and does not guarantee their survival will last long. The second reason is heritage and living culture. If they really follow the government's directions, it will be difficult for the residents of Rempang to adapt to the new environment they have been relocated to. The third reason is separates from Batam, as well as Timor-Leste. It will be better to liberate Rempang from Batam because they can stand on their own without being forced or controlled by the the government, which would be detrimental to Rempang Island. And Rempang Island, which probably has a lot of potential to build industrial land. So it's better for a country that is starting from zero. And then one of the reasons why we agree about liberate Rempang is because Rempang residents who rejected to estimation that is able to attract investment of Indonesian rupiah 380 trillion, and this include the National Strategic Program that will display 16 old villages in the project area. Because the Rempang residents didn't agree, they held a demonstration in Batam City, which resulted in clashes with security forces who act repressive. According to the facts, Rempang has the potential to become an area which is Rempang eco-city. So the government doesn't need to evict all the people relocate. It's better for them to make their own city, and it's okay there are a few people or the environment, because at the end of the day there will be a lot of tourists interested in visiting Rempang and seeing the history of why they were liberated, succeeded in building a city, country that was better than Batam itself.
Yeah. Any PI? Okay. Second speaker from the opposition side. Next. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Our support for the Rempang community does not only come from the awareness that the land they manage has been inhabited by their ancestors for many years, but also because Rempang land plays an important role in the history and culture of Tanah Melayu. This land is not asset, but an inseparable part of the community's identity. Therefore, we fully support the community initiative to unite and take the necessary steps to reject the presence of investors who intend to set up factories di Tanah Melayu tersebut. Our hope is that the step can maintain the integrity and cultural heritage contained therein. In addition, we recognize that Rempang land not only has historical and cultural value, but also reflects the values of togetherness, friendship, and beauty, which are very important for the survival and welfare of the local community.
So what's your solution? Kira-kira solusi apa? Karena dari yang aku dengar kayaknya kamu setuju dengan government now. Gimana? Apa yang bikin kamu beda dari siapa tadi? Augustin Gautama tentunya. tadi kan pembicara 1 sama 2 kalian kan bilang support kan. Tapi supportnya dalam bentuk apa aku masih belum nangkap. Gak apa-apa, pikirin aja. Iya nggak apa-apa, dengan duduk aja dulu. Kita lanjut dengan first speaker from the government, Pak Ino ya.
Ino.
Ya. Oh. Pikirannya itu, tarik colek.
In my opinion, if Rempang Island is liberated, there will be many beneficial factors. For example, the increase medical equipment, and the most important thing is the minimum education in this area of Rempang Island. The question is, why is there no development on this island at all? The answer is easy, because the local government doesn't care about this small island, and instead of not caring about this island at all, it would be better if we invest or free them. By freeing them, there will be very rapid progress on this island. As we seen from the people who reject the liberation of the Rempang Island, like yesterday incident, there are many people who refuse, but they don't really understand the reason why Rempang Island was liberated, and there are also many people who just join in refusing in order to feel that they have contribution the most to Rempang Island. Even though when we look carefully, the reason of President agreed to release Rempang Island is because it has many benefits for our country. One of which is that our country economy is becoming more advanced and many investors will invest in our country. I think our president's decision is very correct, and he really thinks about his people and country.
Yeah, next.
Question of opposition is that the land conflict on the Rempang Island started with the granting of land management rights to private companies. The initial story of this conflict when land management rights switched to PT Makmur Elok Graha. Problems arise when the land ownership status of people who have lived there for long time becomes threatened. Once the situation escalates when the central government BP Batam the holding company began implementing an ambitious project, Rempang Eco City. It said this project is expected to attract land investment estimate 3 trillion rupiah by 2080. The beginning of the conflict on the implication of Rempang Island, which had two cabinet for the sake of government project. Until now, the Rempang Island continues. The many communities still familiar with just relocation.
DPOI? Yeah, go ahead.
How do we support this government? The government of Indonesia has not provided any support for the Rempang is many years. It has a lack of infrastructure such as example, school and hospital. How do you support this goal? How can you support reform?
Problem Rempang boleh masuk sini.
Boleh, boleh.
Menurut saya kalau di program di Rempang itu dari sisi saya itu katanya ada lulus di sana gitu. Jadi ya problemnya di situ sih, terjadinya kemuslakan dari warga ke pemerintahan.
Now, for the final speaker, oh you, Gago. Whenever you're ready.
Indonesia has many islands. We should use to it well and not leave little chance. Because Rempang is a very strategic area for the building and independence regions. Without Rempang, island can become strong in future because it is close to Great Asia country. That Somaliland could become a smart region so that the land can be more useful for the world economy. There is a lot of use of the Rempang area as an economic area, but the residents of Rempang really don't want that to happen. Like new case in this year, there was a massive demonstration because the Rempang land will be used to build an industrial area, eco-city, new economic area, and many others. If that happens, the Rempang Island will become an independent island with a high economy. Rather than just being left as land with efficiency residential buildings. We know that currently many investors are looking at Rempang Island because access is very easy, such as sea, air, and land. Of course, this will have a good impact on the future. With this, there will be more job opportunities open. Apart from being profitable in terms of land use for the economy, it can also reduce the current environment crisis. Because we want to save the world from the end of land, it is hope that it can become useful land for human and the world.
Any POI? Yeah.
Why are Rempang starting di sebelum dari kalau masukkan Rempang tanah seperti di tempat lain. Iya.
Because the Rempang Island is close with Singapore and close with Batam. We know Batam is the kayak daerah industri, lebih dekat dengan daerah industri, jadi kita bisa daerah Rempang itu digunakan untuk impor ekspor barang.
Okay, for the final speaker, let us welcome Attorney Robert Anwar. Okay, whenever you are ready.
So, for the some complaint that I heard, maybe you guys want to relocate for the city, but I think you cannot force the citizen of the Rempang Island because there is so many culture that still hot in there, and President also against about relocation. You guys cannot guarantee the life after the relocation about the class or area. And for the solution, maybe you guys cannot take it slower, but you guys already take the contract with the China, so it will be hard. But maybe if you want, you can change the area or relocate the citizen still inside the island. And from some case, I heard there is so many complaints about the citizen is a one citizen because not have a certificate. But I think that's not true because this is already so on India and Prophet law.
Any guy? Yo. Juri siap-siap pukul ya? Ya, go.
Tadi Dimo bilang yang kayak misalnya tidak ada sertifikat itu tidak masalah karena selama dia paling lama gitu.
Bukan. Mungkin sertifikat dia bisa menjamin lah ya. Cuma but I think sertifikat because they are already kalau dia kayak terus menurun. So seharusnya pemerintah nggak bisa memaksakan itu. Tapi ikut kayak mengurus sertifikat itu daerah.
Ya kalau misalnya tempat itu secara tidak langsung atau secara kebetulan benar-benar dibutuhkan oleh pemerintah itu gimana? Apakah solusinya?
Mungkin pemerintah punya kuasa, cuman itu sudah hak mereka. Mereka nggak bisa ambil hak pemerintah secara hak buat rakyat tempat sana langsung. Apalagi sana kayak banyak kasarnya makam-makam, semua ada di sana.
Dan kalau misalnya lokasi yang mau dibangun ini tidak agak jauh gitu daripada itu tapi tetap di
Itu bisa dipertimbangkan lah sekarang.
dipertimbangkan.
Soalnya dari yang saya lihat tadi, saya dengar saya tadi dari Pak Makta dia mau ambil 64 adat rumah adat itu. Kalau bisa menghindari tempat yang tanpa adat yang dihindari warga lah.
Tapi kalau misalnya di demo kemarin saya dengarnya bukan rumah adatnya tapi semuanya. Jadi tanah itu ini tanah mereka bukan tanah pemerintah. Itu kan atas nama negara.
Silakan ditambah, Bu.
Ya, mengenai tadi itu bukan 16 rumah adat, tapi aku bilang 16 old village.
16 desa.
Oh, bisa. Ya.
Oke, final answer. Go. Jawab mereka berdua.
Mungkin hal itu bisa dipertimbangkan secara lambat, tetapi tidak bisa memaksa hak langsung dari rakyat. Jadi mungkin kalau bisa juga rakyat kan takut dengan tidak terjamin. So maybe jadi something they can guarantee their life after the death. Mungkin sertifikat dan kontrak mereka berdua ada dua pihak. Jadi rakyat tenang, warga sudah dapat lokasi yang mereka